Hello my beautiful friends, it's Amanda here, and today we have an M Cosmetics haul. It's been a while since I ordered anything from the brand. To be completely honest, they just hadn't really been on my radar for a while. I actually wasn't really looking to shop from the brand specifically, but I was searching for cushion foundations, and that's how M Cosmetics website popped up for me and how I started shopping from the brand this time around. I have purchased several things before, and it's been a mix for me of either really liking their products or them just being okay. I haven't really had any terrible duds, but I'm also not overly excited by a lot of the things that the brand puts out. They are very toned down, very clean girl makeup, not a lot of really bright, colorful things happening. And for that reason, they just don't necessarily catch my eye or stay on top of my radar. The flip side is I have had a lot of success with their formulas, and I have really liked a lot of the things that I've tried from them. So when this Daydream Cushion SPF tint popped up during my search, I really felt like I could order with confidence because I have had a good experience with their formulas in the past. So this was the first thing I added to cart. This is the Daydream Cushion SPF Cushion Tint in the shade Gentle Light. It's their light medium shade. I also picked up one cheek product. This is their So Soft blush. It's a cream blush stick. I got the shade Demure. I ordered 3 lip products. I believe this is a newer lip product from them. This is the Everglass Lip Dew. I got the shade Lullaby. And then I'm pretty sure I've seen this formula from them quite a bit in the past. The True Gloss and the Infinite Lip Cloud. I believe these 2 shades were on sale, and I really wanted to try several things from the brand since I was already placing an order. And then the last thing, this is really fun. The day that I was shopping, they happened to have this birthday bundle promotion. I believe it was around the time of the founder, Michelle Phan's birthday. I didn't really know that. I just happened to look into this little bundle. So if you purchased a certain amount of product, then you would get these little freebies, some strip lashes, which I will add to my giveaway pile just because I don't really wear this type of lash. If I'm going to wear lashes, I'm going to wear magnetic lashes because I suck at applying lashes. But here, we'll take a close-up look. This little package is cute. Some nice little dainty wispy lashes. I like the style of these. Very cute. And then there are these little hair clippies. Cute. So the hair clippies match this little mini bag. So here's the little hair clippies. They have the black and white checkerboard design, as does this little mini bag. I could never carry this as my bag. Maybe if you're the type of person that needs like a $20 bill, your ID, a lip gloss, and a Band-Aid. Probably fit that in here. If you're ambitious, maybe you could put a hair tie and a tampon in there too. This is cute. It's a little faux fur. Has the little checkerboard pattern, the M Cosmetics symbol. It's cute. It's not necessarily useful for me. Maybe I'll give this to one of my nieces. I feel like my nieces would love this. As far as the little birthday gift goes, it was a cute extra. I personally wouldn't have ordered just to get that, but since I happened to get it, I'm gonna probably pass that stuff along to one of my nieces. I'm sure it will be really fun for them. So, a cute extra, just not necessarily up my alley. I want to show you each one of these products close up, and I'm also going to show you some application demos. I'll do lip swatches of all 3 of the lip products and just sort of give you my thoughts along the way. So I'm going to go back in time to No Makeup Amanda and show you these products in action. Starting with the foundation first, this is priced at $48 US, which I was a little taken aback by until it got here and I realized it comes with a complete refill and a brand new puff as well. So the compact itself is already loaded with a foundation and a puff, and then you get this little foil packet. It reminds me of what printer ink comes in, and you do have a complete refill plus a brand new puff. So I think that's really quite a good value. And here I'm just showing you how to open it up because mine is completely fresh. So when it arrives, you just open up the little door and peel back this film and you get a beautiful, brand new, fresh foundation. It is nice and squishy, of course, it's a cushion. And I'm showing you a little swatch here just so that you can see a close-up swatch, but I'm also going to apply it. The shade that I got is called Gentle Light. It's the second shade, so there is one lighter than this. Because this has such light coverage, the shades have a lot of leeway, so I was a little bit concerned because there weren't a ton of shades to choose from, but overall here, I think when you see the side by side, you can tell that this is definitely adapting enough to my skin tone. When I get a little bit more tan, this might not quite work out for me, but here, when you see the side by side, it really does look like it was made for me. The coverage is pretty impressive. I wasn't expecting it to even out as much as it did, and I've actually been wearing this with no concealer just for that really fresh skin, dewy, light coverage look, which personally I really like. That is my preference. So this product is a smash hit for me. Since I filmed this, because this was my first impression, I have worn this every single day. I absolutely love the way it looks. I love the way it feels. It feels like nothing. I can easily wear this with no concealer. Sometimes I will throw a little powder on because it's getting quite warm here, so I don't want to sweat and lose the foundation coverage, but I cannot express how beautiful this is and how excited I was by how well it turned out. Next up, we're going to look at the So Soft blush. I have the shade Demure. This blush is pretty pricey. It's $30 US. You twist the top part here where the blush stick actually dispenses from to push up the product. And I'm showing you a live swatch here. This is just one swipe. This is a nice neutral rose color, and you'll see when I apply it that it does also have a little bit of a dewy look on the skin. This definitely doesn't go fully matte on me when it dries down. Perhaps that's because the skin tint underneath is so dewy, but these two products, the blush and the foundation, worked really, really well together. I definitely feel casually sweaty, which is my preferred look, and I just like how fresh and natural this makeup looks. Definitely suited to my personal preferences for sure. Now we're going to look at some of the lip products, and I have realized now that the reason 2 out of the 3 were on sale is because they were formulas that were, I guess, being discontinued. Maybe they're being reformulated, I don't know, but they're no longer on the site. You can still find the Everglass Lip Dew on their website. However, the other 2 lip products I got, which surprises me, the True Gloss and the Infinite Lip Cloud, are no longer appearing on the website. And I feel like the Infinite Lip Cloud has been a staple for them. So maybe they're just getting repackaged to match the little short chubby packaging like the Everglass Lip Dew has. I don't really know, but I'm sad to see these go because I think all 3 of these lip products are very comfortable, very beautiful, easily could be the type of products that I see myself wearing all the time. I have extremely dry skin and dry lips, so the fact that the Infinite Lip Cloud is the type of matte liquid lipstick that I can see myself wearing all the time really says a lot about the comfort, the ease of wear of that product. So I really like all 3 of these lip products. I like that I got a range of colors, and I definitely see any of these being in my regular weekly makeup routine. Fingers crossed that Lip Cloud or something like it will come back to the brand soon because this is really nice. All in all, I feel like this little M Cosmetics haul was a complete success. Everything worked well for me, but I have to say, for me personally, The little Daydream cushion tint is by far the standout. This is exactly what I was looking for. I think the color matched me really well. The texture is beautiful. It's a little bit dewy, but it's not so shiny. And you could definitely powder on top if you wanted to. It gives me SPF. It gives me enough coverage. I didn't even put concealer on. I just wore this. It still looks natural. It feels literally like nothing's on my skin. I think it looks really great. This is just everything I was hoping that a little cushion foundation would be. I love that there's SPF in it. I am an SPF freak. I'm still going to be using my regular SPF in my skincare routine, but it never hurts my feelings to have a little bit more added protection on top. I really like this. This is such a standout. As soon as I started applying it, I knew it was going to be an automatic favorite for me. The blush and the lip products are okay for me. They all look nice. They feel nice. I'm glad I got a variety of colors for the lips. I'll definitely continue to wear all of them, but none of those products can really compare to the excitement of the cushion tint for me. If I had to choose a favorite from the lips, I would probably choose this Everglass Lip Dew. It doesn't have nearly as much staying power as the other two lip products, but it just felt so good. It sort of made my lips feel like my Laneige Lip Glowy Balm, which is holy grail status for me. And it had a cute little tint to it, so I really liked this one the most. Now's the time when I want to hear what you think about the things I picked up. Have you tried any of these products? Do you have any must-have favorites from M Cosmetics that you think I need to check out? Like I said, they haven't really been on my radar much over the past year or so, and I need to know if there are any hidden gems I'm missing out on. Make sure you leave all your recommendations and all your thoughts down in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! What? Put the chain on. Oh, okay, I'm fine. I'm an adult. Casually sweaty. Love that for me. This little foundation is so pretty. It looks so cute. I love it. I love it so much. Look at how casually sweaty I am. Oh, by the way, I got my hair done. Do you like it? There's gonna be a tutorial for this eye look. It's from a BYOP that I did, and I think it's really cute. So stay tuned. Cheshire Cat vibes. I'm about to leave for a trip. I'm putting this one back on because I like it so much. I'm about to leave for a trip and I have not packed at all, and I feel pretty stressed out about it. But here I am, trying on makeup instead. Classic Amanda. It'll be fine. I'm just gonna pack the same rotation of things that I always wear anyway, because let's face it, I'm not gonna become suddenly more fashionable and glamorous once I'm on vacation. It's just not gonna happen. And I'm comfortable with that. I did get my little gray hairs covered up though. Although I like my gray hair a lot, I just, you know, I go back and forth because I'll let it grow for months and months, and I don't mind it at all. But then when I get it covered up, I'm like, oh, that looks good too. All right, I have a couple more things I want to film. I gotta get ahead on filming. Hey, calm down. I gotta get ahead on filming because I'm going on a trip, so there'll still be videos. So I will see you soon. Bring your beautiful face back to this channel for my next video because I love your face, and I'll see you soon. Bye.